There's another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Kaveman Kreations. And this is the dozer seat, which I highly doubt is original. Seeing it was stapled on, but it has buttons. So, and as you can see, this part here, a mouse was living there. He was very happy. So, got to make a new one of these. Definitely got to make a new seat. And that's what I'm going to do. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it was pretty rotten. Pretty sure that's the original seat cushion. I don't know if that's, I don't know what that is. Hay, horsehair, who knows. And the cover is down there. I'm not going to reuse it. I'm not going to reuse the padding or anything. I'll put new padding on it. I am going to, however, reuse the springs. I got a bunch of little tacks here that have to be pulled out, so I can take that off. I'm going to try to re-stretch the springs to raise it up, because you can see that it's got a slight bow here in the middle, but I'll raise that up, put material over the top of it, padding over the top of that, reattach it to a new piece of wood, and then wrap it up. So as I was starting to take this apart, I noticed that the springs are just so rotten that they're breaking. So this is not going to work at all. So I'm going to have to go a different route. And then I ordered some of this high density foam. It's 6 inches thick, 24 by 24. So I'm going to have to trim off a little bit of it to get it to fit on there correctly. So this will be the replacement for that one down there. Will be foam. So I went and marked it right here for the length, for the width. So I just cut this section off here. I have just enough material to make this seat. So all you're going to do is just fold it over, staple it, fold this side up, staple it, pull it nice and tight. Same thing on the corners, just like the other video where I did the armrests. Now after getting it all folded and stapled in, I'm going to add a little extra. I'm going to take this slats and cut them to length and hammer them in and box this in to give this a little bit more strength on either side. Alright, got those mounted in. It's going to help hold that in. I may even put a couple more here and here across where the staples are sticking out. Maybe one down here. A little extra, never hurts. Hold it in, make it last longer. There we go. That's pretty good. There we go. Fits in there like a glove. I may do the back. I may not. We'll see. Till the next one.